Start by washing your hands thoroughly. Before you start putting LV stride together, check that all the parts are clean and dry. It can be helpful to lay the parts out on a clean, dry surface. Push the valve into the breast shield. It's designed to work at any angle. Just take care not to twist or move it once it's in place. Milk can pool in the nipple tunnel if the valve is twisted open. Take the diaphragm and make sure it's completely dry before you put it on the breast shield. Use your fingers to work the rim of the diaphragm over the breast shield lip. Check the diaphragm is sitting flush and is on securely. If you ever feel you need some more help, please contact our customer care team.